really do hope that you change your attitude, man. Stop looking at the people like they're bad, like they're all bad. You know what I mean? Pretty disgusting, man. Hey, bro, I'll see you later, man. Not everybody has a bad attitude like you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Punk.
Why don't you fix that?
Drop your badge and go home, buddy.
What up, man?
What's up, fellas?
Hey, help me get in there and teach a class on the First Amendment.
No, man.
Come on, dude. Huh? You guys are dressed for war, but you guys don't know anything about the First Amendment? Come on, fellas. It's embarrassing walking around acting tough. What's up, man? What's your badge number?
Come on, man. Why are you so sour?
Oh, you don't work for the BPD or what?
Jesus.
She makes
It's probably my
best
least
chile
favorite
rellenos.
Mexican.
Yeah, I'm kind of afraid to try someone else's chile rellenos because she makes them that good. How's it going, man?
What's up, guys?
Hey, quick question. Why the hell you guys dressed for war?
SWAT practice.
SWAT practice?
Yeah. I just saw you on the paper.
Yeah, no doubt. You were the one telling the channel my name? That guy
Oh.
was telling me? Why you do that, man?
I was trying to show you some love.
Hey, I heard something on that video that was quite disturbing though. I don't know if it was you or your partner. He's a wuss, by the way. I wouldn't work with that guy, bro. He's gonna put you in harm's way.
Travis black in the eye. I can't hear you, bro.
Yeah, I wouldn't work with that guy no more if I was you, man. But if I'm not mistaken, I heard one of you guys say that you didn't give them a ticket because they cooperated.
Huh?
And I heard one of you guys tell the guys that you didn't give them a ticket because they cooperated.
Yeah, that was me.
And I don't know, man.
I didn't give a ticket because they get the car compliance. That's all I want.
Because they let you search the car too, or what?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, they told us we could.
Don't you think that's kind of dirty though, under coercion? Like,
Yeah.
no? Just tactics you guys use and shit?
I asked if they had any issues with it. They said no. And I said I appreciate the cooperating, get the car compliance, everything good. That's all I want, compliance. That's all. No tickets or nothing like that. Just compliance.
Word. You learned the First Amendment yet?
Huh?
Hey, talk to your supervisor. Tell him let me go in there and teach you guys the First Amendment real quick. That'll be hella cool. How you doing, man? Hey, where's the hey? Are you one of the supervisors? No. Damn. What's up, fellas? Names and badge numbers right quick.
Like your 1303? Neighbors 1312.
1312. Second name badge number right quick.
Braha.
Braha. 1217. This is a war zone. How you doing, man? Get your name badge number right quick. Name and badge number right quick.
Velasquez, 1395.
1395. Thank you. Velasquez.
Wait, so are these guys regular fucking BPD
Yeah,
officers?
they're
too?
already BPD.
No, like regular, like fucking beat cops. Training to be SWAT.
What up, man?
What's up, fellas?
Hey, help me get in there and teach a class on the First Amendment.
No, man.
Come on, dude. Huh? You guys are dressed for war, but you guys don't know anything about the First Amendment? Come on, fellas. It's embarrassing walking around acting tough. What's up, man? What's your badge number?
Come on, man. Why are you so sour?
Oh, you don't work for the BPD or what? What's with the attitude, bro? You guys done for the day?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're all done. Let's get your badge number real quick.
Paras 1477.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
We seen that cop before? It's crazy. They leave the cars idling for hours.
Yeah.
Is there like gonna be another shift to come in and train? Or
Our shift, no.
no? Just you guys?
Yeah, just us.
So are you guys part of like Bakersfield SWAT or something? Can I come up? Are you guys part of like Bakersfield SWAT or something? Or
Yeah, we are.
yeah?
Yeah.
You guys
Doing
training
our
different
monthly training.
just different tactics and stuff?
Yeah, just to practice.
For sure. Man, I was gonna ask for a supervisor. That way I could come in and teach a class on the First Amendment.
Was you just got some First Amendment?
Yeah.
You got a card on you, bro?
I might. I already spoke to one of the supervisors, and your department already knows who I am.
Okay, what was your last name, sir?
Yeah, I can't tell you. I got a policy against people last name. I do my son, man. I go out and I teach, the Constitution.
Okay,
And I discovered a pattern, bro, of cops not really knowing you.
Yeah, I'll pass over to the folks at the academy. I'll see if they can hold you, okay?
Absolutely, man. That'd be great. Can I get your name and badge number real quick?
Yeah, Dario, 1277.
1277. How long you been with Bakersfield PD?
10 years.
10 years? You got any chevrons yet?
Couple.
Couple? So a senior officer?
Detective.
Detective?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the diamond too.
Yep, yes, sir.
What area do you focus on?
Assigned to the north end, so where's the district?
So that involves like car theft and all kinds of stuff too, or what? I'm trying to learn from you guys, man. I'm trying to learn how it works.
It's a learning process for sure, but I'm gonna head out, brother, but I appreciate talking to you.
Real quick before you head out of here. You know the First Amendment, the 5 fundamental freedoms? I ask every cop.
Yeah, but do I want to recite it right now on camera? No, I did not. Apologize.
Let me talk to you real quick.
No, man, I'm waiting.
Speech, press, religion, assembly, petition. I'll talk to you again. I hope you know it, bro. How's it going? Unless you have already.
Did he get his name and badge number?
What is? Yeah, there's no reason for the attitude, man. Everybody's been polite but you. Maybe you're the bad apple, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah.
Guess you know everything now.
Yeah, I see you're a bad apple.
Nice of you to admit it.
Let me know when you want to start over and have a good conversation.
I'll let you know.
With one of the people, right?
I'll let you know.
You address me like that, you're addressing people like that.
Come on, man. Find a different job. You don't need to be in this profession with that attitude, buddy.
Dark tint.
What was he saying?
It was just ignoring me. I asked him why he had to ignore me. And he got all butthurt about it. Hey, I really do hope that you change your attitude, man. Stop looking at the people like they're bad. Like they're all bad. You know what I mean? Pretty disgusting, man. Hey, bro, I'll see you later, man. Not everybody has a bad attitude like you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Punk.
Why don't you fix that?
Drop your badge and go home, buddy. Fuck you.
I thought you were being respectful.
Shut up. You're a little
Hey, you don't deserve it. Hey, respect is earned. Now give it.
Go find
Shut the
pillow
f
to
up.
cry on.
Shut the f up.
Hey, go find the pillow to cry on. Fucking clown. Shut up, clown. Hey, guys. Later, fellas. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Watch out. This goes to Fucking hell, dude. You guys are jokers, dude.
I love this
Really,
shit.
some of these guys have pretty good
Yeah,
attitudes,
some of
man.
them are cool. It's like,
You know what I mean?
it's funny picking on the ones who aren't looking cool, you know?
They all dip out when I ask them if they know the First Amendment anyways.
Peace. That was the last of them?
Vigilance Committee, I appreciate the donation. Cameras are dangerous, no doubt, man. Yeah, guys. They're training how to raid the wrong house. What we have inside this here house is an undocumented field worker. We're gonna go in.
They act like we're fucking up to the window recording.
Yeah, like in reality though, if you guys think about it, they act like they're training for dangerous situations, right?
Yeah.
But this is how they approach everything nowadays. Even traffic stops, they come up to you like this. You know? If you got a traffic ticket and you got a warrant, this is how they're gonna fucking come to your house. And after they fucking break your shit, spit on your fucking carpet with chewing tobacco, and their dogs will shit on your carpet, just like the Bakersfield police officer admitted on the YouTube channel. And they fucking play pranks on each other, right? Like they admitted on their YouTube channel. That YouTube channel is called Badges, Bullets, and Blunders. And it's Bakersfield cops sitting there fucking acting like jerk-offs, telling fucking stories, admitting to things like pranking each other and them not doing their job when they're supposed to, admitting to shit like that, right? Laughing about it, giggling, thinking it's funny, right? They don't, and then when we go ask for records, they don't want to give us records because we're not privy to that information. But here we have cops creating YouTube channels, right? That are allowed to talk about incidents in the public, and the shit that they're saying is 100% completely vile and disgusting the way they talk. To me, what the Bakersfield cops are doing on that YouTube channel is the equivalent to two cops walking down the grocery aisle and talking the shit that they just fucking had to deal with within the department, admitting to the public that they play pranks on each other while on duty, dereliction of duty when they don't do their jobs. That's exactly what they've admitted to, and we've already screen recorded all of that. We were gonna make a video talking about that, and we're gonna demand that they get their fucking take that shit down.
There's Bakersfield cops?
Yeah, Bakersfield cops.
Oh, I didn't know that. Badges, bagels, and blunders?
Yeah.
Blunders?
Badges, bullets, and blunders.
Bullets?
Yeah.
Oh,
And not
fuck.
not one story that they tell is of helping anyone. It's all fucking, having a giggle at the expense of unfortunate people in unfortunate situations, right? Just like this cop right here was sitting there giggling too, right? He's supposed to be serious, right? Right? He's supposed to be serious training, but he's sitting there giggling, right? And this is what we have out here, folks. Now, I know I like to joke around.